I found this wonderful old daisy loom in my mother's collection of needlework goodies. And so I've been having a lot of fun experimenting with it and learning how to use it. So it was really popular in the 30s and 40s. And you can still buy looms that do similar work, but this one I love because it's so simple. So this knob pulls in the little spikes, and then you twist it and the spikes come out. And so I'm going to make a few flowers. So there are different yarn weights that produce different kinds of flowers. So this is with just a single pass, and I think sometimes, depending on the yarn, they look nicer with a double. So you can see the variation. This is a single pass around the spikes, and this is double. And I chose to do two different colors with this one, which I think looks really sweet. And then this is crochet cotton, and I actually passed it 3 times. And I like how this looks too, all completely different. Okay, so let's get started. So the wrapping is very easy. So I'm back to where I started, and if I wanted to do a double, I would just keep going, but right now I'm going to create the center of the flower. So the way you do that is by passing under 4 strands, and you can kind of attach the beginning and the ending yarn as you go. So you pass under 4 and then come back 3 and then go again 4. And then you just keep doing this all the way around until you've secured each of the threads. And then you can tie off these ends, and you can secure your thread. And now here comes the fun part. When you release and you have a little flower.